In today's tutorial, we're going to be making a slip knot. So this is your yarn. All you're going to do, there's a lot of different ways you can do this, but they all end up with the same result. But I'm going to try to simplify it. So what you can do is take this and just cross it over. Okay. Just take your yarn and cross it over, like that. Just take that and cross it over. Take this and fold it onto your working yarn, not this piece, and then just take that piece in the middle and pull it up. That's literally all there is to a slip knot. So I'm going to undo it and redo it again. So just take that and cross it over. You have a little loop here. Take this loop, fold it over, pull this working yarn up, grab these pieces and just pull, and you will have your slip knot. So you can tighten it. And whenever you have a hook that kind of tapers right here, you want to work on this part of your hook so that it doesn't get so tight, especially with your chain. If it's too tight, it's just going to look sloppy and it's going to make crocheting not as fun as it can be. When it's nice and you can work with it, it should be able to move up and down your hook like that. And that just makes it a lot more fun to crochet. Alright, so that is your slip knot.